Hey guys, welcome. Today's video, I really wanted to get back to the roots and make a super slow-mo, relaxing foundation video. I promise no ASMR in this one, but I hope you guys like it. I really like making these. They make me really zen. I partner with Shiseido for this video. I have been giving these products a shot for about 2 weeks, so I can confidently say that they're really great, especially the foundation and the blush. But I'm just gonna hop right into it, and I'm gonna be taking their Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation. It has a really cool concept because it actually refreshes itself through the day and kind of works with your skin to keep itself looking like you just applied it instead of caking up. But I'm using a stippling brush and buffing that in. And for the foundation, I am in the shade 320 Pine. Next, I'm just going to be applying some concealer on my under eyes. Also, if you notice that in some shots I have makeup on and in some shots I don't, I wanted to have more angles. I wanted to make it super aesthetic, so I actually shot it 3 times. So don't get confused why I'm like switching between makeup looks. And then also for the concealer, I'm in the shade 201 Light, and I like to go kind of a shade lighter than my foundation. One of my favorite products of probably the entire line, I'm taking the Whipped Powder Blush, and this one is in the shade Satsuka 07. Cream blush is just so much easier to make look natural, in my opinion, than powder blush, so this is just perfect, and it's a perfect shade as well. It really mimics like a super natural flush. So I'm just gonna set everything pretty light-handed using the Shiseido Translucent Loose Powder, and then that is it for the makeup. As always, you can of course find all the links down below in my description for the line and all the Shiseido products that I used, so you can shop it there. I hope you guys like it. I really like making these, so let me know if you want to see more, or if you just want me to sit there and chat, I can do literally either or. But I shall see you in my next video otherwise, and thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.